So, girls, you don't want to get the money, you don't have to get the money, you have to be fair. Okay, pag ayaw nila kumuha ng pera, hindi rin kayo kukuha ng
Ay,
pera.
bigyan mo, kuya. Bigyan mo.
Kuya Will, wala naman kami sinasabing mga ganito. Kuya Will, ibigay mo na.
You get the money, girls. Come on.
No,
Because
no.
it's Christmas.
beat them.
Oh, ayaw nila.
No. We like it.
I like your style, I like your attitude. You're not mukhang pera. They're mukhang pera. Look at the pera.
No. Money is not necessary.
Okay.
It is a necessity.
You don't like? No? Ayaw nila talaga.
You do not like money? You do not like? We like love. You like love? I like
Ikaw pala ang gusto.
You like salary? We like love.
Ano ito?
Okay,
But they're not 18.
Okay.
18.
18.
Hey! Who said I am not 118?
I'm
18. Tell me. Count my holes. They are all 18. 18 holes.
Gold for yan. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, this for you guys. Okay, you have 5,000 bonus. 5,000. 5,000. 5,000. And 5,000.
Salamat po.
That's for your shopping, okay?
Salamat.
Later, I'll do.
Salamat. Hey, you buy some clothes. That's right. You ate me. Well, I can see everything. Wait. She
What?
doesn't
Okay.
have. She has too much.
Diba?
Oh.
Oh my God. I'll take off my dentures.
Ano?
Ethel, ipagtanggol mo kami. Ipagtanggol mo rin yan.
Pagtanggol mo kami, Ethel. Sige, pag malaki mo.
Balik mo yung mukha mo.
Pag malaki mo.
What is your problem?
Baka pag-iyak ako, may black filter daw dyan eh.
You are the problem.
Sapak, ha? Wala pa nga ako
Anong problema mo? Anong problema mo?
Anong problema mo?
Anong problema mo?
Wala.
Duwag
Ito sa may problema talaga eh.
Duwag ka? Ano? How about you?
Madali naman palang kausap si Ethel. Wala kang problema. We have no problem. We have no problem. Do you have problem? You have no problem. Oh, yes. I'm good. Are they good? I think they are not.
Perfectly fine. Hoy, mga lalaki dyan.
Wala na ko. Tignan mo. Gandang-ganda na sa akin. Yeah, a new leader.
Hoy, bumalik ka dito, Carding. Dali.
Do you think I'm a different species? I'm different from them.
Of course.
Yeah.
Bongga, maganda.
Oo.
Sinasabi ko na nga ba eh. Sinasabi ko na nga ba.
Nagsisinungaling ka
Maganda talaga,
You don't
totoo.
tell a lie, you tell the truth.
Because
This one beautiful.
you think I'm a liar? I'm a liar. I'm not a liar. Oh my God, ate. It's okay, Yaya.
Please welcome the beauty queen. Go.
This is dedicated to Kuya Will. Kuya Will, pansinin mo ako, tao ako. This is for you. This song is really composed for you. Gusto ko kasi dito eh. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. I never found anyone who fulfilled my need. A lonely place to be, and so I learned to depend. I decided long ago never to walk in any dreaming to a lonely place. Find your strength
galing. Alright.
And in this labyrinth where night is blind, the sound of a opera is here inside my mind. It's there, the phantom of the opera. Galing. Paano na? Pumasok ka na doon. Baya? Mauna ka naman. Ikaw kaya mauna. Wow!